Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What did I do?
20 miles an hour, bub.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you think I was doing?
Oh, I was going 20. You were passing me.
You were going 20?
I was going 20.
So that deserves a middle finger? That's very cordial of you, very human of you.
Yes.
No, it really isn't. That's what's wrong with the world today. Did I bother you? No. But you had to tell me what you thought about me going over 20.
That's right.
That's good boy. Good boy. You're miserable. F off, dude. You're miserable. That's what's wrong with the world today.
Lester?
Kelly O'Donnell at the White House tonight. Thank you. On this Earth Day, President Biden signed an executive order to protect forests from wildfires on federal lands. This comes as fire season strikes severely in the West, where a number of fast-moving blazes are out of control. One of the most dangerous is in Arizona.
Whoa. What? That guy just hit him.
They hit?
Yeah.
They're keeping your Richie here, not keeping your Richie. For listeners, just hearing you're keeping your for staying. And you look like shit.
Yay!
She comes back to the Richie. There's 5 leaders in the U.S. There's one in Western New York.
Holy what was that? Their hood just flew up and smashed their windshield. Oh, yeah. Zipping back though, too. Parts of their windshield. Holy crap.
Aaron give line as a gift would be it. Oh, man. We've had an extremely long friendship at this point. We've never been gift giving.
Yeah. Luke and I both give each other the gift of no obligation to give gifts.
There goes my tire.
Left onto Plum Creek Parkway, then continue straight to down Plum Creek Parkway. Continue straight to down Plum Creek Parkway. Galena Way.
Access to the Global Lounge collection at Solo Store. So get the card built for business and travel. Play.
You're not supposed to park there. All right, have a great day, buddy.
Oh shit! Yo! Oh my god! Shit!
His wife. They were taking a little stroll there on Somerton Beach, which I'm sure is lovely.
Yep.
And they saw something weird. They were walking toward Glendale, so I guess they're connected people.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And they saw something interesting on the sea.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.